Yogurt is a delicious and nutritious dairy product loved by millions of people worldwide. Its production process involves several simple steps to transform milk into a thick, creamy food. In this article, we'll discuss the process of making yogurt. Step 1 is preparation of raw materials. The main ingredient in yogurt production is milk. Milk factories are usually located close to the dairy farm. The time from collecting fresh milk to transporting it to the factory does not exceed half an hour. Before being used to make yogurt, the milk needs to be pasteurized to kill any harmful bacteria that may be present. This process is mostly done using a plate heat exchanger. After pasteurization, the residual heat is recovered and utilized during the fermentation stage. Step 2 is adding yogurt culture. Yogurt culture is added to the pasteurized milk to initiate the fermentation process. It's a mixture of bacteria that ferments the main sugar lactose in milk into lactic acid. The most commonly used bacterial strains in yogurt culture include Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus. The third step is fermentation. The milk and yogurt culture mixture is then incubated at a constant temperature of around 37 Celsius for 6 to 8 hours. During this time, bacteria ferment the lactose in the milk, producing lactic acid, which causes the milk protein to coagulate, forming thick, creamy yogurt. Step 4 is cooling. After the fermentation process is complete, the yogurt is cooled to room temperature or lower to stop the fermentation process. Step 5 is processing. The yogurt can then be processed by adding flavorings, foods, nuts, or sweeteners to make it even more delicious and nutritious. The final step in yogurt production is packaging. Yogurt is usually packaged in containers and sealed to maintain its freshness and quality.